The seller finance. Anyone who knows what a seller finance is? Okay. Seller finance is simply, instead of you guys going to the bank and get the finance to buy the property for clients, the seller finance them. It's simple. So how does this work? Now, with the seller finance, a lot of people have been asking me in the past, so is the property going to be in my name or not? With the rent to buy, the property is not in their name because it's there's no asset showing in their credit history. A lot of people actually like it. But with the seller finance, they are in their name. They can use the first home owner grant as the part of the deposit. And also there's no bank, they can move straight away in and pay 1% as usual. That's the same with the rent to buy. Now the benefits for seller finance is the title of the property will be in their name right away. A lot of people feel comfortable with that, so they can either seller finance. The only other thing is, only the seller finance, they do have to pay for the stamp duty if they want to put it into their name right away, or if they actually got a qualify for the first homeowner grant, then the state revenue actually give them the grant. So if they got any problem with the situation, we're okay with that as long as they can afford to pay for their repayment. And of course, you can build the credit history for them as well. The startup cost, there's no mortgage insurance. Easily, we aim for 3 to 5% at a minimum to someone who wants to own their own home to seller finance. And example of Alan. Alan is very young, smart man. He actually came to us with his mom. He doesn't have a very, very good, the income that he makes is fantastic. He's a 90. He qualified for the first homeowner grant. His mom actually trying to give some of the money from his mom house. He used a lot of credit to help him to buy the property, but he said, no, Mom, I want to use this. I want to do this because I want to try to do my own thing. He got a very small deposit. It's only 9 months in his career, but he can show it. This thing, his qualifications, making great money. So we decided to buy the property on his behalf. Now, just suppose the client of yours coming to us in this same situation, and then we can find that they can make a great income and they can afford to pay for the repayment. What we could do is we will buy the property in his behalf. So you guys will help us to get the loan, and then we buy the property on his behalf, and then sell it back to him on the seller finance or rent to buy, or the seller finance deposit. But we go back to that one later on. So he bought the house, and we gave him 20 years term, the same way when he goes to the bank. And he renovated the place. He did increase a lot in value, and he lives there after 1 year. He's supposed to live there in 6 months before he can sell it. He actually lived there for 1 year, and he sold it and made a great profit, and not even have to go to the bank. So